Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to create an account on Credit Sesame. So the first step is to go on any browser and search for Credit Sesame, and then what you'll have to do is simply click on sign up, and then basically you'll have to simply enter some information about you. So you'll have to enter your first and last name, and basically after that you'll have to simply verify your account by sending them your ID or any other type of valid documents, and then basically that's all you have to do, and then you can start using Credit Sesame features. As you can see, better credit, better advice, better offer, and as you can see, one place for all your credit needs. So credit cards, home loans, auto loans, and much more. So as you can see your credit score here. You can see the offer. So basically they're gonna offer you better loans and much more. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.